Hello, today we're going to talk about school bus idle reduction and why idle reduction matters. Unnecessary school bus idling affects human health, pollutes the air, wastes fuel, and causes excess engine wear. How diesel exhaust impacts human health. It contains significant levels of particulate matter, PM. These particles can lodge deep into the lungs and heart and are linked to premature death, aggravated asthma, and decreased lung function. Children are more at risk than healthy adults because their respiratory systems are still developing and they have a faster breathing rate. Air pollution. Not only can diesel exhaust from idling pollute the air in and around the bus, it also enters the school buildings through air intakes, doors, and open windows. Diesel exhaust pollutants contribute to ozone pollution, acid rain, and climate change. Wasted fuel. Idling buses waste fuel and money. School districts that eliminate unnecessary idling can save significantly on fuel cost each year. Engine wear and tear. Idling does not protect the engine or help it run better. In fact, idling a bus may cause unnecessary wear. To maximize the success of our idling reduction policy, our state law reads, "No person shall cause, suffer, allow, or permit the primary propulsion engine of a motor vehicle to idle for more than 5 consecutive minutes when the motor vehicle is not in motion." Our policy reads, "No idling at the schools. If you're parked for more than 5 minutes, shut your engine off." Remember, if you're sitting for more than 5 minutes, our state law and our district policy says to shut your engine off. Thank you and have a great day.